Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadel Farisi. On this video, I would like to tell you about my journal and my presentation by the title The Socio-Linguistic Study on the Use of Japanese Language in the Learning Process in Primary School in Surakarta, Central Java, Indonesia. Okay, let me begin. This study aimed at describing the use of language at primary school, grade 1, 2, and 3 in Surakarta. The study belongs to described quality research. It analyzed the research result of the observed speech event. The data are collected from the three sources: informants, event, document, and the three factors affect the use of Japanese language. The first, blazing the learning process so that the learners are able to better understand the material presented by the teacher. And the second, teachers habit to speak Japanese language. And the third, drawing student attention. In the teaching learning process, teachers use Indonesian language, but student lack of Indonesian vocabulary infers teacher to mix Japanese and Indonesian language intentionally. This phenomenon is explained by Hamdani 2020 in the research of the use Sundanese and Indonesian language, and in Muharram's 2020 research on Indonesian and Ternate Malay language. However, the proficiency of Indonesian language at primary school is still difficult to determine, as Indonesian language experience of students who are just starting in school is also different in every area. Okay, next, teachers' habit to use Japanese language in that influence her language skill at school, as the promotes Japanese language as her first language. Speech event occurs in a private primary school in Surakarta is presented in the data which reflects an influence of Islamic Japanese culture and the informal language. Teachers' habits use Japanese language indeed influence her language skill at school, as performance Japanese language or her first language. This study showed that Japanese language has been dominant language. Although the research covers different languages, the phonemes of code mixing and code switching are similar. Okay, next. Teacher who teach with Japanese and Indonesian language is more understood by students because not all students understand Indonesian language used by the teacher. The use of Japanese language brings positive effect for the process of learning. Teachers who teach with Japanese and Indonesian language is more understood by students because not all students understood Indonesian language used by teacher. That the use of both Japanese and Indonesian language is more effective to deliver information and knowledge to the student. However, the missing language brings negative effect. It runs of grammatically speak Indonesian language. It is caused by the occurrence of code mixing, code switching, and inference, and improve integration in the of Indonesian language with the creative and informal situation. Code mixing and code switching also cause Indonesian language use improperly. Interference runs the grammar, where teacher should be able to introduce Indonesian language to students. These factors are: the first, to balance students' language skill so that the tone listen can be easily understood. The second, teachers habits to use of Japanese language, and the third, to attract student attention. Factor behind the use of Japanese language by teacher and student in the learning process is students' lack of Indonesian language vocabulary. In addition, teacher also use the language unwittingly. Factor to academic are the first, habit factor, the second, spontaneous factor, and the third, intention factor, the fourth, learning material, and the last, language acquisition. Factors to code switching are the first, the choice of hearer, and the second, changing topics, the third, feelings angry, the fourth, influence of the partner's language, the fifth, class situation, and sixth, reduce factor, and the last, factor of language acquisition. And the function of code mixings include, for the first, performance, good communication, the second, strengthening order, the third, giving advice, the fourth, giving question, and the fifth, repeating the meaning of the speech, the sixth, reminding, the seventh, clarifying speech, and the last, growing familiarity. And the function of the code mixings include, the first, transferring meaning, the second, clarifying speech, the third, explaining learning material, and the last, strengthening speech. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation, and I'm sorry for our mistake, and thank you for your kind attention. I'm Fadal Farisi, and until next time, stay classy.